Alright, everybody. Sorry, my Game of Thrones is playing. Uh, marked out session highs and marked out Asia high, London high. We did sweep out this weekly high. We are in. I thought we were in a daily, but we're not. But we're in a 4 hour. However, we have a lot of bullish fair value gaps here. Now, I'm thinking. I don't know what I'm fucking thinking, chat. Bias wise, we have this hourly, and I want to see how we react. If we disrespect this, I'll be bullish. But if we end up respecting this and go lower, then you could potentially look maybe for down here. This is just equilibrium. So I think that's actually not bad if we want to come down. You know, is this equilibrium for? Oh yeah, maybe. Let's just check real quick. Boop. To boop. No, equilibrium is here, about there. So let's do this one and these. And then I think it's this one. Sell side. Not really sell side, but we're just gonna say sell side. All right. So if we end up respecting this hourly gap, hourly fair value gap, if we want to close down here, then a 1 minute entry, you could look to short. So that's our bias right now. If we disrespect this, I'll be bullish. If we respect it and close below here, but honestly, I'm expecting pretty strict price action. This is Asia and London. We just kind of moved sideways. We finally broke down. This could be like, I don't know. I don't know what we're gonna do. We'll see. I don't want to long unless we disrespect this hourly. So I'm gonna come back when I see a trade. But market just opened, so we're currently just kind of chilling. Site 80. Alright, we're gonna have a little 1 minute. Anyway, so I'm gonna come back when I see a trade. We'll see what happens. And yeah, alright, see ya. I took a trade on my combine. Uh, LOL, that's about a hit. Ooh, we have an S&T. Oh, that's not nice. What do you think that? Why did I enter this? Well, we're respecting this hourly gap. We inverse this 5 minute, 15 seconds. Oh, don't stop me. 15 seconds CISD, 1 minute inverse. And yeah, that's about it. Um, I mean, shit. What was that? 30? I mean, your stop though is kind of tight. I'm risk free right now, but your stop, if you was still in this, was pretty tight. Should I cancel this right now? No, I mean, I'll stick with it. But we'll see what happens. Can we go down, please? Great. Keep going down. Keep going down. Where's the moving average? Up there. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I still think we go down from here. I just think it'll stop down. Go back down. And if that happens, I'll just re-enter. I will just re-enter if that. If we go back down to 500-ish in profit or whatever, I'm gonna get out because on ES there's nothing holding price lower. But what I'm gonna do is I'll do this, which will probably be stopped out, but I want to lock in something, even on a combine. Chat, we're just sitting here watching this. But for me to take anything on my Express account, I would want a little bit cleaner of a price action. I'm gonna delete this just for a little bit of cleanliness in the chart. 1 hour.
Order filled.
Geez, it hit my stop. Let's make it red. So this is that 1 hour FEG, and it looks like we're respecting it. So this is pretty nice. Now we didn't get a 5 minute CISD. It could be that blue line. So we could honestly wait until that and then take a short. Right, we took that dub, 566. I'll take that. It's better than nothing. What's this balance at? I think it's at like, yeah, it's at 55.19. We're gonna go for a 1500, but I want to wait. So I just want to come on here. So I took this trade. It worked. We actually were up 35 points. So it was a 1-to-1. But like if I took this on my Express account, I would probably have scaled some. Yeah, maybe not. And then gone break even. And then honestly might be stopped out here. So I'll see you guys for the next trade that I take. We're just kind of moving sideways. We're probably gonna dump any minute down. But I'm gonna see you guys when I take another trade. So as soon as I ended the video, guys, I just want to point out we fell 50 points. So actually, if I held, I would have hit my TP, but that's fine. Because the only thing why I didn't necessarily like is we had an SMT with these lows. So that's okay. Do we have a 30-second? We might. If we get a 30-second fair value gap and we trade up within it, I will re-enter. But we'll see. So I'm gonna come back. Actually, I just want to come out here and say if it worked if you held. I'm gonna come back when I take another trade. Uh, I'm coming on here to say It's only. I like this guy. Shout out to this guy, but I watch his streams in the morning. I don't take his trades because I don't trade the way he does. And I also watch this guy. Shout out to him. I mean, he has more fucking followers than me. But I'm watching him because he's a kind of like personality wise, he's a cool guy. But him trading, I just I don't know. I don't. I will. I swore to myself a very long time ago that I'm not ever copy trading anybody. So I'm not copy trading anybody. Of course, I started off copy trading. When I used to copy trade, do you guys know I was in a Discord and I was paying for it? Let me just talk to you guys. I was in a. I was in a. I was in a dis. Look how I'm sitting. That is Flash Potatoes. I was in a Whoa. Discord. What was it called? It was X. I don't think they're a thing anymore. X trades or X. It was something like that, and they would give you. They would do options, and I would trade options first time. I started off trading options. I lost. I only lost like 2 grand, but to me, that was everything I had. Like 3 4 years. Fuck. I was in high school. I was. I was around the senior. I think the summer before senior year, I started to learn, which was damn near like 5 years ago, chat. It's been a very long time. Start off doing options. I would copy trade. I would copy trade them. I ended up losing money because I just was picking the wrong signals, I guess. And I was copy trading TJR when he was live streaming. I think it was on YouTube. He live streams on Kick now, but I don't really watch that. I don't watch that. I was copy trading TJR, and I was like, dude, fuck this shit. Because I remember I said to myself, I want to learn how to do this. I actually enjoy trading. Even if I end up losing, yeah, I'm pissed off. But I just like trading, right? I like looking at the chart and shit like that. Like looking at price, the candles form, why it goes up, why it goes down, shit like that. And so I was like, I actually want to learn how to do this on my own. So I swore to myself I would never copy trade again. And this was like maybe 2 years ago, 3 years ago. And I will pride myself, hand on the Bible, I have never copy traded. Like I've never been like, oh, I'm watching what was his name? Tyler, or I'm watching that other guy's live streams and they're in a cell. Let's click sell. Hell no. Um a lot of the time, chat, a lot of the times when I trade, not a lot, every time. Every time when I trade, I have those live streams open. I have him, or maybe none, or maybe both, or maybe one, whatever. But they're all paused or muted, and I'm watching like YouTube, Netflix, or whatever else. Because if I sit here like this and stare at the chart, I'm gonna take stupid ass fucking trades. And I've been doing this for 3, 4 years, and maybe it's kind of fucking me up, but I don't want to say I want to be distracted when I'm trading, but I don't want to be so like if I'm staring at the charts, I'm gonna uh like see shit that's not really there. Like, oh my god, like I'm gonna see setups that aren't there. So for me personally, if I like I'm over here and I'm watching the price or watching the stock market, glance over, look at it. It's like watching the news when working or something. Just glance at it's not like this. And then doing whatever. Anyway, I'm getting distracted. What I'm saying is, it is about 12 o'clock, and I have not taken a trade. Actually, I did. That's a lie. I took a trade on the combine. Uh, I took that one dub, and then I took a break even. I'll show you guys. I don't give a shit. Yeah, I took this little dub, and then a break even. Or did I enter in 3 different trades? I think I did. They were both break even. And I was like, all right, fuck this shit. I'm done. So, and I'm probably gonna walk away. It is 12 o'clock, so we're probably gonna have a nice setup. Maybe in the PM session, like 1:30 or something. But me personally, it's a Friday. I don't want to sit on the charts all day, so I'm not. Um, let's look at the performance stats. Oh, that's not nice. I mean, but this is a combine. I don't trade this like that. Do on an express account. Express accounts, we haven't traded 2 weeks. But that's fine. What does it say? Monday seems to be my best trading day. Um, Wait, I want to see something. How long have I had these accounts? A long time. It's been about a month. Win, loss, loss, win, loss. And then loss, loss, nothing, and that. Dude, that's bad. That's bad. But during this was crazy volatility and shit like that. And trading these days when Trump was doing his tariffs and shit like that, I caught the bad end of the stick and I got fucked. And it did affect me, like mentally. Like when I trade now, even on the combine, I'm nervous. Um, and it's affecting my trading, so I got to figure that shit out. But I was back testing. Um, I'm gonna leak something. I have my bill and details open because I was gonna cancel it because I don't want to pay $40 a month anymore. Because I don't really feel like back test. Like I'm gonna back test hardcore today and this weekend, and then the day that it renews, or the day before, I'll cancel it. Because I don't back testing is not really my issue. Like I know what I trade, and like whenever I watch people's recaps, I paper trade. Guys, I've been paper trading a lot, on this account and also on Top Steps practice. And that's not what I meant. And this practice and the setups that I take on these when I'm not thinking about money and like I would if I'm wrong and I'm just trading what I see and I win like 95% of the fucking time. I look back and I see people on Twitter and YouTube and stuff like that, and they took the same trades. So like that's not my problem. My problem is all just psychological. It's fucking insane. What was I ranting on about before? Copy trading and I don't know, whatever. So this is where we're at right now. I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna upload this right now and post it, or if I'm gonna wait for maybe until the afternoon. What I'll do is I'll wait until like one. I'll wait until like 1:30 when it's, and if we're still going like this, or just barely going up or barely going down, I'm gonna cut it. So if we're moving like shit, you guys aren't gonna see me again. But if we actually are moving kind of nice, and I take a trade win or loss, I'll come on and I'll do a little recap. But if I don't see you guys, have a good weekend. Hope you had a nice trading week. I had an okay trading week. I need to work on like actually pressing the fucking button. Um, but like even if I'm doing a quick scalp in 1 minute, I mean the first trade that I took on the combine, which I don't even know what it was, is at 9:47. It was a short. I remember. It was the short once we inversed the 5 minute, we tapped back into a 15-minute CISD, and then we inversed this 1 minute and we filled it, and I entered like around here. Like that wasn't bad, right? So I don't know, that filled right there. I probably would have went in with maybe 3 micros, so that's 40 times 2, that's 80, right? 8, 16, 20. That would have been $240. Actually, probably less because I wouldn't have taken everything off. Yeah, I'd taken maybe one or two, maybe two, and then let the other one kind of run, and we would have been stopped out. That would have been probably like maybe like $200. Well, probably like 160. You know, I think I'm not taking trades on my Express account because I'm looking for a trade where I'm targeting. Say I'm longing this, right? Okay, my stop is, ooh, it's all right, not bad, 27 points. TP's 100. This is a great R trade. This I would like. I'm looking for this type of trade on my Express account. This type of like risk to reward. Because with 27, I could enter maybe like 3 or 4 micros, and then 100 points is like a shit ton of money. Like I'm looking for that, and I'm not really considering taking a little 20 point, 30 point. I mean, that's not little, but like a 30 point move. I'm not really like looking for that to take on the Express account, and I think I should be. Like if I like I should have entered on Express here, but I was nervous. Why though? Because we just I don't remember like this rapid movement here. I don't know. I'm fucking rambling. Um, so if you guys don't see from me again, it means I didn't trade. So I'll see you guys all next week. Next week, news wise, is Monday, no news, absolutely nothing. That's nice. Tuesday, Joel's job openings. Oh, it's NFP. Damn, pretty heavy news week. It'll be pretty interesting. I think volatility will definitely be there. But price action today is pretty shit because, I mean, like, the goal of the week, I think, was hit yesterday. We took out those highs. So, like, if you look on the hourly, this is ugly. So, I don't want this shit being too long because I don't really edit these videos anymore. But I'm gonna see you guys. And oh my god, the camera was massive. You guys couldn't see shit. Oh my god. I don't even. What the fuck? Oh god. Oh god. I feel like a dumbass. And do I know what really sucks is I'm not gonna redo any of that. gonna see you guys um later. I'm a trader. I'm not a YouTuber. That's so stupid. I forget you guys couldn't see shit. What the fuck? All right, I'm gonna see you guys fucking either in a little bit or I'll see you guys on Monday.